Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious Ghana Waakye from scratch to finish using simple ingredients. Let's get right into the video. So I started by transferring my washed beans into a saucepan which I've already placed on fire. Then I went ahead and added my waakye leaves. These leaves don't just give waakye its rich brownish color, they are also full of nutrients. So add a handful of waakye leaves into the pot, then add water enough to cook your rice and beans. So the quantity of water you add depends on the quantity of waakye you are preparing. After that, cover the pot and allow the beans to start cooking. But before it boils, I'm going to add a little saltpeter to it. You can use baking soda in place of this. Our beans is boiling already. We'll allow this to boil until it is about 80% cooked. But in case you are wondering why we need to add saltpeter, I understand it helps to reduce bloating after eating the waakye, but it's optional. You can decide not to add the saltpeter or the baking soda. Now I'll check the beans to see if it is well cooked. Then we can go ahead and add our rice. So our beans is already about 80% cooked, but before I add the rice, I'm going to first of all remove the leaves. Then I'll go ahead and transfer the rice into the beans. After adding my washed rice, I'll add salt to taste, then I'll stir this to mix it very well. Now I'll go ahead and take out some of the water because I feel it's too much. Later, if there is a need for me to add it back, I'll do so. But if you are very certain the water you have is enough for your rice and beans, you don't need to do this. You can skip this part. So after taking out some of the water, I mixed it very well again. And I added a little oil. It's optional for you to add the oil. It's not compulsory, but it adds some nice flavor. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook. So at this point, I'll check on the waakye. So when I checked, it wasn't well cooked and it was still a bit hard. So I added some of the liquid that I took out. After adding, I will cover it and allow it to continue cooking until it is ready. So at this point, our waakye was ready. When I checked, it was ready. It was well cooked. It looks so lovely. So guys, this is simply how to prepare waakye. It's so easy to prepare. It's very easy. If you have rice and you have beans and then you have your waakye leaves, you are good to go. So you can eat it with whatever you want, with your waakye stew or shito, and then you pair it up with some gari and spaghetti, whichever way you want it. If you have some vegetables, you can go ahead and add. So this was how we enjoyed ours. Thank you all so much for watching. Please, if this video has been helpful to you, kindly click the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.